A strong core is important. It helps you stand tall and move well. Your core supports your body. It helps you do everyday things. A strong core is more than just looks. It's about feeling good. It's about being able to play with your kids. A strong core helps you live your best life. Think of your core as your center. It connects everything you do. Strong core muscles make you better at sports. They can even help you prevent injuries. Start strengthening your core today. You'll feel the difference. The plank is a great exercise for your core. You don't need any equipment, you can do it anywhere. To do a plank, get into a push-up position. Lower yourself onto your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line. Hold this position for as long as you can. Start with short planks. Hold for a few seconds. As you get stronger, hold the plank longer. You'll be amazed at your progress. Remember to breathe during the plank. It helps you hold the position longer. It also makes the exercise more effective. There are many other exercises for your core. You can try crunches. Crunches are a classic exercise that target the upper abdominal muscles. They are simple yet effective and can be done almost anywhere. Crunches work your upper abs. To perform a crunch, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head or across your chest. Lie on your back with your knees bent. This position helps to isolate the abdominal muscles and provides a stable base for the movement. Lift your head and shoulders off the ground. Exhale as you lift, and inhale as you lower back down. Make sure to keep your movements controlled and avoid pulling on your neck. Leg raises are great for your lower abs. This exercise targets the lower part of your abdominal muscles, which can be a challenging area to tone. Lie on your back with your legs straight up. Keep your legs as straight as possible and engage your core throughout the movement. Slowly lower your legs towards the ground. Keep your core engaged. Lower your legs until they are just above the floor, then raise them back up. This controlled movement helps to maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. You can also do Russian twists. This exercise targets the oblique muscles, which are located on the sides of your abdomen. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, lean back slightly. This position engages your core and helps to stabilize your body during the twists. Twist your torso from side to side. Remember to start slowly. Listen to your body. As you become more comfortable with the movement, you can increase the speed and range of motion. Don't push yourself too hard. It's important to listen to your body and avoid overexertion. Consistency and proper form are key to achieving strong, toned abs. Section 4. Real people, real results. Finding your strength. In this section, we will explore the incredible journeys of individuals who have transformed their lives through core exercises. Many people have found success with core exercises. These exercises are not just about building a six-pack, they are about creating a foundation of strength that supports your entire body. They have stronger cores and feel better. A strong core improves posture, reduces the risk of injury, and enhances overall physical performance. One woman couldn't even hold a plank for 10 seconds. She felt discouraged but decided to keep pushing herself. Now she can hold it for over a minute. Her perseverance paid off, and she now feels a sense of accomplishment. She feels stronger and more confident. Her journey is a testament to the power of dedication and hard work. Another man had back pain for years. He struggled with daily activities and felt limited in his movements. He started doing core exercises. Slowly but surely, he began to notice improvements. Now his back pain is gone. He feels liberated and can move freely without discomfort. He can play with his kids without any problems. His quality of life has significantly improved. These stories show that anyone can improve their core strength. No matter your starting point, progress is possible. It takes time and effort. Consistency and determination are key to achieving your fitness goals. But the results are worth it. The sense of achievement and the physical benefits make the journey worthwhile. Section 5. Your journey starts today. One plank at a time. This is more than just a workout, it's a commitment to yourself. Each plank you do is a step towards a stronger, healthier you. Imagine the sense of accomplishment you'll feel as you progress, one plank at a time. A strong core is within your reach. It's not just about aesthetics. A strong core supports your entire body, improving your posture and reducing the risk of injuries. Think of it as the foundation of your fitness journey. You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership. Your living room, your backyard, or even your office can become your personal gym. The beauty of core exercises is their simplicity and effectiveness. All you need is your own body weight and the will to start. Start small, Begin with just a few seconds and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. Remember, every second counts. Do a few planks each day. Consistency is key. Even on days when you feel tired, a short plank session can make a big difference. It's about building a habit that will last a lifetime. Add in some crunches or leg raises. These exercises complement planks and target different parts of your core, giving you a well-rounded workout. Variety keeps your routine interesting and challenging. Listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. Rest is just as important as the workout itself. It allows your muscles to recover and grow stronger. Don't push yourself to the point of injury. The most important thing is to be consistent. Make a schedule and stick to it. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your strength and endurance. Consistency is the secret to success. Make core exercises a part of your routine. Whether it's in the morning, during lunch, or before bed, find a time that works for you and make it a habit. Your future self will thank you. You'll be amazed at how much stronger you feel in just a few weeks. The progress you make will motivate you to keep going. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Your journey to a stronger core starts today. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the process. Every plank, every crunch, every effort you put in brings you closer to your goal. One plank at a time. You've got this. Believe